The DJI Mic 2. Absolutely love this setup. This is what it comes with. It's stickers, quick start guide. You got the 2 windscreen, you got your USB Type-C cable, and you have your carrying pouch. You also got your 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable, but this is the magic right here. It comes in a case that now latches on and it locks in place. Open up like this. It looks good. It's a battery case, so it can charge your DJI Mic setup 2 times in one charge, plus it's USB Type-C charging. When you close the case, everything turns off and charges. When you open it, everything turns on. It's ready to go. I love that. This is the mic right here. It's got the new scroll wheel. You have your ports, you got your contact points and USB Type-C power button right there, and your hot shoe that attaches permanently to this receiver unit. And then right here you have your choice of USB-C or Lightning. All you gotta do is slide this out right here and pick whichever one you want, because this one makes it super easy to connect to your phone and you're good to go with USB Type-C that way. And you can store this with your favorite connector attached. That way you're ready to go when you pull it out. Very nice. Here's the new microphones. They have this transparent look that makes it look very futuristic and very cool. I like. You have a stronger magnet than before, because older magnets was a little bit tough on thick clothing. This one is great. And then you also got your USB Type-C if you want to charge it individually, but your windscreen is easier to attach now. Boom, and it's attached. Pull it out like so. Very cool. This is the DJI Mic 2 right here with the charging case in all of its glory. Oh yeah.